Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Sorento headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to avoid burns. Next, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly, which is usually accessible from behind the grille area. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll likely need to remove a few plastic covers or clips that might be blocking your access to the headlight assembly. Once clear, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling. Then, unclip the retaining spring or twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging components. With the old bulb free, carefully pull it straight out. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base. Insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly. Then, reattach the retaining clip or twist it clockwise to secure the bulb. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. After everything is reassembled, it's crucial to test your new headlight bulb. Turn on your Kia Sorento and check both the low and high beams to ensure they are working correctly. If they are, you can then reinstall any plastic covers or components you removed earlier, making sure everything is securely fastened. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video. Enjoy your bright new headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.